Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Beautiful, healthy house plants are the perfect way to fill your home with life and color. Whether you want just a few or have a house plant jungle in mind, you can learn how to grow and take care of indoor plants successfully. We had a lot of houseplants, but when we come home after visiting Kolkata, all of our plants have in poor condition. We all have a lot of houseplants, but today we'll talk about one special houseplant that most of us have in our houses. There are differences between the indoor plant and the outdoor plant care. Maximum indoor plants need less light than the outdoor plants. But even low-light indoor plants grow weak and spindly. Okay, today I will talk about one of the indoor plants, which is the spider plant. This is one of the most popular house plants. It is popular because they are so resilient and easy to grow. Do you think spider plants need fertilizer? And if yes, what kind of fertilizer should we give to our spider plants? The spider plant is also known as airplane plant. Okay, so let us start making one fertilizers already. First, take a glass of water and soak some onion peels in it for 24 hours. And it would be the best if you give it some sunlight for 4 to 6 hours as well. To care for a spider plant, be sure it is planted in a well-draining, well-aerating potting medium. Also, make sure to water throughout the growing season on a regular basis and mist the plant occasionally. You can do this as the snake plants enjoy the humidity. Also, time to time check your plant as it can have tip-borne that you can remove. It is best if you give rainwater or distilled water to spider plants. Fertilizing a spider plant must be done in moderation. My mom mainly gives rice water, boiled potato water, and onion peel fertilizer. You can also give dilute black tea to your spider plant. There is no specific spider plant fertilizer, so you can give any fertilizer of your choice. But keep in mind that there must be no over-fertilization. There can be black tips because of over-fertilization. Over-fertilization can cause more damage than underfeeding. Give a little amount of liquid fertilizer 15 days interval to the spider plant. I hope with this fertilizer you can grow your spider plant big and healthy. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all our other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.